Hey guys, welcome to Terminology Tuesday Answer Day. I'm now going to answer the Terminology Tuesday from yesterday. What is the scored interval IOA for these two observers? So what we have to figure out here is basically what does the X mean and what does the O mean? Well, in this question, we're very lucky because we have a legend and it literally tells us X equals scored, O equals unscored. So now we've got to do this in a couple of small steps. The first step, as I like to do it, is to identify every interval in which one or both of the observers have marked an instance of the behavior. In this case, it's going to be the scored, the X. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to circle all of those intervals. Here we've got one observer, both observers in 5 and 6, both in 8 and 9, and only one in interval 10. Now that's going to be our denominator. That's going to be the 7 intervals in which one or both observers observed an occurrence of the behavior within that interval. Now the next thing we're going to look for is our numerator, and that's going to be all of the intervals in which both of the observers actually agree, where they both marked an X. So let's go ahead and find those intervals now. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's going to be our numerator, 4 divided by 7, which gives us approximately 0.57. But since our IOAs cannot be reported in decimals, they must be reported in percentages. What we're going to do now is we're going to multiply this number. We're going to multiply this number by 100. And as you can see, that gave us our answer, 57%. That's your Terminology Tuesday for today, 57%. 2 observers recorded 10 different intervals, and this is the scored interval IOA for them. Have a fabulous day.